What if I told you there's a place where every path leads to something beautiful? Welcome to the Dallas Arboretum, a stunning oasis filled with colorful flowers, peaceful gardens, and breathtaking views of White Rock Lake. From vibrant seasonal displays to hidden corners bursting with natural beauty, this is the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Come along as I explore one of Texas' most picturesque destinations and experience the charm, colors, and serenity that make the Dallas Arboretum so special. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey through this beautiful garden paradise.